Hello, la marut. Let's sharpen the accuracy of your Gaelic by looking at the two different ways to say my. First of all, we have mo. You've probably seen this before, mo. And it's pretty much just my, mo, mo. So we could say mo, movaher, movaher, right? Movaher, my mum. And then we could say molav, my hand. What else could we say? Movraher. Movraher, my brother. Minchin, my mind. There's one. Namo Vyach. In my opinion. And this namo comes down to be nam. Nam vyach. In my opinion. So these all use mo. And what do they have in common? Well, they're pretty intimate to someone. So, for example, members of your family, you would use mo. Movaher, my mum. Maher, my dad. Movraher, my brother. Mofuer, my sister. Yeah, mocho'oa, my cousin. Ma'oa, my grandchild. Yeah. Family members? Absolutely. What about lav, malav, my hand, ma'inchin, my mind, movyach. So body parts, sure. Body parts. Yep. Absolutely. Family, body parts, and then, I mean, your mind isn't really a body part, but it's connected to your body. That's a whole nother discussion. And if you want to watch some of my meditation videos, I'll share a bit with you. But just consider it as a body part. Body parts and kind of miscellaneous associated with the body. Movyach. Well, your opinions are pretty intimate too. Yeah, opinions, right? So this is what these all have in common. This is when you use mo. And by extension, using do for your and for his and her, that kind of thing. But you use this form for family, body parts, miscellaneous, and opinions. These are intimate. They're mo. All right, what's the other way? On something akam. Akam. And if you've studied Gaelic before, you probably recognize akam. It means I have. So think of this as the something I have. Okay, let's take a look at it. An kuakam. An kuakam. An kacht akam. Kacht akam. Right? The dog I have, the cat I have. We would be making it's an equivalent of my in English. Nekech akam. Right? Kech akam. And tayakam. Let's put two more down here. We could keep going with these. There are a lot more of these than most. So, antayakam, right? Antayakam. Ankarakam. Yeah, all these. So what do these have in common? They're kind of everything else. They're not something that we are terribly connected to or kind of intimate with, not in that way. But, have an intimate connection with. Pets, some people do have that close bond with pets, and of course, that's totally fine. But think of traditionally in Gaelic society, way back when, this is just a view. An kuakam, the dog that I have, right? An kahtakam, the cat that I have, my cat. So for everything else, you just use the whatever akam. An camera akam, my camera, right? An kar akam. You get the idea. So there's a nuance here. There's subtlety between mo and whatever I have. Yeah, okay. And just to point out, this is being undone in modern Gaelic and Scotland. Mo is being used for a lot of things. It's used just how English uses my. So mo farti, my party. Muchar, my car. This is just the trend. In Nova Scotia, you would see this distinction clearly. In Scotland, with modern Gaelic, you would see mo being used for a lot more. However, you cannot go wrong with this distinction, and you will see it and hear it from people as well. So it's worth knowing. Okay, so here we go. The subtlety between the two ways of saying my. Well done. Gleva.